We're in Lake Metonga right now, and we're about to hop in, and you just gotta love Jay's shirt here. Silent Jay's got the Chucky shirt on. Where'd you get that from?
Walmart.
Walmart?
Yep.
I love it, man. We should have brought Chucky with, my little doll.
Chucky's wedding spirit.
Yeah. Let's go clean up the beach area. How's the water feel?
Nice.
Feels nice. Looks nice and clear. Not used to nice and clear. Wind's blowing my board. But we're gonna come out here and clean this all up. See if we find anything cool. There's a lot of fish over here. Holy,
Nice clarity.
yeah, let's keep looking at them. It's cool getting the footage. Good job. It's straight out from there. That's pretty cool. How'd that go over here?
Now we put it on here.
There we go. Check all we got. Got a chunk of someone's boat right here, I think. Hubcap cover, shoes, cloth, transom saver, tennis balls. I think this is a safety key or a safety stop for jet ski or a boat. Some aluminum cans, swimming goggles, sunglasses. Another piece of someone's trailer or something. That, strap, bungee cords, shotgun shells, golf balls. A bunch more plastic over here, and we got a bucket here full of zebra mussels that we can throw all this trash in there. You have a fun time?
Yeah.
What'd you see under there?
Seen a lot of schools of little bullheads and a lot of nice good perch in here too.
Yeah, it's really cool seeing all those fish under there. And did you get really close to the baby bullheads?
Oh yeah, I got to touch them, actually feel them in your hands like that.
They actually came right up to my face and like right on my cheeks. We came here just for a short dive. We're able to take a lot of junk out right here. And this is just kind of the swimming area and over by the boat launch. So glad we can get the stuff out of there so no one gets hurt. Yeah, she does drop off. Bullhead minnows by the gallon collection center. I don't get it. Found 2 spoons, 2 cans, 1 lure so far. Trash. A lure. Yeah. Hook's still good. Alright, I'm done. I already got some trash out of here this side. That's good. What about 6, 7 cans here? Yeah, no problem. Nice and beautiful lake. Check it out someday.